Dear students, welcome to my channel. I hope this information is going to be interesting for the taxation as well as the economic students. The government of India is going to present their Union Budget 2021 on the first day of February. But there are certain changes from the conventional method. This time the budget is going to be paperless, and that is going to be the first time in the independent India. The finance ministry has decided not to print budget documents amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, it is going to be the first time in the history of independent India that the budget not printed in papers. The government has received permission for the same from both the houses of the parliament. The decision has been taken as the printing process would require several people to stay at the press around a fortnight amid the COVID-19 fears. So it is to avoid their stay at the office and printing press. So what they normally do is the budget documents are printed at the finance ministry's in-house printing press in the North Block. There will be a halwa ceremony also in the normal practice, but it may not happen during this time. It is to avoid the gathering. The halwa ceremony starts around January 20th, is attended by all the people involved in the budget making and marks the beginning of the printing. Once the printing starts, printing staffs stay inside the press till the presentation of budget, and only a few high-ranked officials are allowed to access, and that too on the basis of the special identity card issued. The entire facility, that is the loading, unloading and the transportation, are managed by the special security forces. But this year we are going to witness a historical moment with respect to the presentation of Union Budget 2021. So let us wait until February 1st, 2021 to witness the historical event. So thank you very much for watching my channel.